By now, you're familiar with how to create a low-code application using a combination of built-in components that can be customized and by writing your own code. So here's an exercise where you'll be predicting the quality of wine using a data set that is provided. Here's an exercise you can try out. Go to Google and search for UCI wine quality dataset. That will take you to a page on uci.edu called wine quality dataset. This is a set of files from a machine learning dataset repository, and it has information about quality of wine based on its acidity, volatile acidity, and several other parameters. This is a data set that has the quality of different kinds of wines from this information. And what we can do is try and predict this information. Let's take a look at this data set. We'll go to the data folder. It has the qualities of red wine as well as white wine. Let's restrict ourselves for this exercise to only white wine. When we download that data set and open it, by default, you'll see values separated by semicolons. So select the whole file, press Ctrl A to do that, and then go to Data, Text to Columns, Delimited by semicolon. Make sure that semicolon is selected and click on Finish. That will convert it into a set of tabular data. Let's take a quick look at this. Fixed acidity, volatile acidity, citric acid, residual sugar, all of these are numbers. And we're looking to predict quality, which goes from 3 to 9. And you could argue that this is a number as well, more than a category. So it would make sense to use regression to predict quality based on all of these parameters. So that's the first part of your task. Using Gramix, specifically using ML Handler, create a model that predicts quality using all of the other parameters as regression. The second thing is build an interface that allows the user to specify the acidity, volatile acidity, citric acid, residual sugar, etc. Keeping in mind that the values must be in these approximate ranges. And using that, see what quality that particular piece of white wine will have. The output should be a web page where people can enter any of these parameters. There should be default values for these parameters that will give us the quality. But as they enter or change any of these values, the final quality should change immediately.